Here's something that may help you as you're drawing in Procreate. So, as I draw on regular paper, I like having a reference. Reference helps me plan and figure out my drawing. I like having that available, something to look at while I draw. So I can actually do that on my iPad screen with a few different options. So let me show you what I mean. Inside Procreate itself, there is what's called a reference option. So let's say, I'm working on a drawing here and, oh, I need a picture. I want to look at a picture while I'm working. If I click on or not on gallery, on the wrench, and I go to the canvas tab, look for the little slider that's called reference. And you click that reference. I'm going to select import image. And then I can go to my photo library, pick the image I want, and now it puts it there as a little floating window that I can slide around my screen that I can look at while I'm working. So that's really handy. That's a nice little way to have an image. Now I can zoom in on that thing too. So it fits within that little window and it's not visible or embedded as a layer on my drawing. So it's its own thing and I can turn it off on and off. If I tap it, I can clear it, import a different picture, or if I want to just close the reference window, I can click X and it goes away. Now, there's one other way to use reference on your iPad that's an extra feature. It's like the multi-window feature that you have on your iPad. So if you swipe up from the bottom with your finger, just lightly, you'll get that little horizontal line that allows you to pull up your little dock down at the bottom. If you press and hold your photos, for example, and drag it over to the left, let's say, you can drop it in as a little bit of a window that you can have available so you can pick a picture and have it kind of side by side as you work. And there's a little tab in the middle that allows you to change the size of that little reference while you work. So if you like doing the split screen method, you can do that too. Now, if you want to get rid of that guy, you got to drag up from the bottom again, swipe up, click on your main window, and then if you tap the corner, you can get the little green tab and put your screen back to normal. But you've got that little additional side-by-side option on your iPad that you can use to have a multi-window experience. So I find both of those things really useful when drawing, so I have something to look at while I'm working. It's obviously much more convenient when I'm holding my iPad and I can just look at those things like that. Now, if you need other tips or tricks, I have other videos available. Check below. Also, I have a free Procreate tool guide. Check that out if you'd like to learn more about how to operate the program and have fun.